So when I got the 17 millimeter, we're gonna put it on right there on the tensioner, and let's see which way we gotta go. Okay, there you go. You see that? It loosens just like that, and we will remove the belt just like that. So I went further to get this guy off, but I got it. Did not like that, but I got it off. And now, what is the trip matter now? Come on. Whoa. What the hell? And my wrench is just stuck there for no reason. Okay, so at least we got the belt off. So next, what we need to do is we need to take off that tensioner. Tensioner has a number 8 Allen right there in the middle. Notice, guys, it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be a little tight spot. So let me just turn this because I'm not getting a good grip on it. And also, it has a number 12 in the bottom of this tensioner. That one we're gonna have to fish out. So you guys in the camera can't even see that one at all, and I can't even get my tool on this one. And it should go on. I might have to put my other hand in there. There you go. I caught it. It's right there. So it's right there. Right there. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn this counterclockwise. It's not going to be an easy bolt to take off. But there you go. A few turns. And after that, I should be able to do it by hand. And then I'll reach down and get the bottom one out as well. So right now, let's take this guy off. And work some magic right from this spot right here. Okay, so I've been working on this for a while, trying to get this bolt off. So you might have to wiggle this thing around to get this bolt out. And once after a whole bunch of turns, you should be able to take this guy off. Let's put it somewhere safe. We're gonna reuse this. And in the bottom, there's a 12. If you could jack up the car, you could probably get it from the bottom. But I should be able to fish everything out from right here. That bolt, we're not gonna get the alternator bolt unless we get the whole complete tension out of the way. Okay, so I'm gonna get the 12, so get a gear wrench and do that. Okay, so I got me a deep socket 12 all the way down there. I was trying to use this wrench, but no leverage. So I just want to break it loose, and then I should be able to take it off by hand. There you go. So this is what I used down there, and if you can get this guy in there perfectly from right here. But this fits as well, but only thing is it's really crappy amount of room in there, but that's what it is. Or you're gonna have to fish it from the bottom, from the wheel well. You're gonna take out the well from the bottom. But I'm gonna get this bolt out of here just about very soon. So I put my arm right through here. Let me get this light. I put my arm right through over here, and I grabbed the bolt. Got me the 12 millimeter bolt out, and let's push this belt out of the way. Let's see if this stupid tensioner that they put in here comes out just like that. So if you guys get a rattling sound, usually these little guys, they break, and you'll have that. But you could simply just change this or the whole thing. Okay, to put that center bolt, you could put the 17 millimeter wrench. You see this wrench right there? I got it on the tensioner. You can move it around and capture the bolt right there, just like that. Move it around, and once you catch the threads, you're all set. Okay, that's what I did here. Okay, just to give you guys an idea, once you get that center bolt right there on the tensioner, do that first. Snug it all the way. Leave it a tiny bit loose. Then grab your 12 millimeter from right down here. You should be able to whoop, get it right in there, right from down here. So as before, I got them both in there. Let me just give you a small little glimpse of that. If anything is possible to see down here. Anyways, they're both down there. They both are in. You just gotta snug them. So again, from right over here, I'm a right-handed, but my left hand worked really well right from over here, and I was able to just go in there, get it. Anyways, that's what it is. And now I'm gonna put the belt on, tighten them, put the belt on, and then we'll put the connectors on together.